In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on About Phone at the bottom. Once you're done, select device name and finally type in wherever you want to. Like Sunny. When you're ready, hit OK and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!